Gonna say summer is back. Mike Wiskus coming in from the right. I'm sure he's out there taunting Paul Stender in that school bus. Smoke is on. Here comes Wiskus. Oh, flame on, baby. Mike Wiskus out there on the vertical, rolling the airplane. Paul Stender down here. I hope you like your runway well done. Oh my, look at all that pretty fire. Here's Mike Wiskus again. Giving him a little bit of a buzz job. Mike out there, this is going to be a race, that's for sure. This is going to be one heck of a race. Oh man, I can feel the heat. He's a good 150 feet from me, and I can feel the heat from the afterburner flames. Woo-hoo. Here's Mike Wiskus coming in from the right. Going full tilt boogie out there. Cranking that airplane. Oh, look at that. He went inverted. He's pushing out. Oh, that's got to hurt. Got to hurt. Paul Stender out there, school time, school bus, lighting it up. I can't imagine seeing all that fire at night. Here's Mike Wiskus coming back around. It's going to be a heck of a show. Now, who do you think is going to win? We've got the school time jet-powered bus. We got Mike Wiskus, the Lucas Oil Special. I got to put my money on the airplane, everybody. Oh boy! Mike is out there dusting Paul. Oh yes, he's going sideways down the runway. Mike Wiskus there, knife edge pass. Paul Stender is coming back. This is a custom-built jet bus. It started life as an actual school bus, but it has been extensively modified. There are very few school bus parts actually left. Hang on! Oh man! Wow, that's got to be a real kick in the seat. They're getting into position here. Paul Stender heading back down to the end of the runway. Ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't done it already, I suggest you fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be a wild ride.
That was so loud, man. It was right there. Oh.
They're staging the school bus. Mike Wiskus is out there. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This one is for the money. Mike Wiskus coming down like a stone. Paul Stender has got that baby revved up. Here we go. Oh, wow, Paul Stender got him. We've got 3 good shoots. That's a good sign. Oh, man. Well, yesterday Justin won the dollar bet. It looks like Jerry got it today.
Did you get it?
I'm back with you.
All right, Justin, what's going on there, buddy?
Hey, man, I think he's cheating a little bit. He told me I needed to go slow to give him a chance.
Yeah, you know, he's been known to be a little slick with these races.
No, I'm not going to do that again. That learned my lesson this time. And I think I won some of that afterburner. That was kind of awesome.
Yes, it is. You need an afterburner in that little bitty airplane.
All right, I'm going to come on the plan here. We're going to let the next guy go.
Roger. We'll see you on the ground, Justin.
See you on the ground.
Justin Lewis live from the cockpit. There he goes. In a rather sneaky fashion, he was rolling before Justin went by. We're calling for a ruling on this from the judges.
Guys, either on that side?